Hello, my name is Ellie at Seaford MG, and today I'm going to show you around this MG ZS exclusive in the stunning metallic laser blue with incredibly low mileage at just 8,510. Being the exclusive model, it comes packed full of great features, including the full leather interior with white stitching, as you can see. You've also then got the coloured touchscreen with navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, Apple CarPlay and plenty more. This particular car is in automatic and does also feature stop and start technology and cruise control. Just going around to the back of the vehicle, this car also benefits from rear parking sensors and a reversing camera. In absolutely excellent condition. If you would like to book an appointment on the vehicle or have any questions or would like to arrange a viewing, please feel free to get in contact. You can visit our website or call us on 01323 898818.